Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all of my friends? I hope all of your family members are fine and good. So friends, this channel is created for those people who loves animals. Now in this video we can discuss the some cat pics, yeah, or drawings. In this video you can see that all of the drawings are only cats. So let's start our video. In the next picture, the cat had look like a cake. In the next picture, the in the bag of a cat a duck. In the next picture, the two cats are hugging to each other. In the next picture, the cats are married with each other. In the next cat drawing, the cat sit down like a man. In the next, a cat has a rabbit costume, and in the next drawing, the cat looks like a king. Like a king, he have a back and have a clone. In you can see it is a devil cat, and the devils are present on the head. The cat has a flying like angels. These cats look like some magician who tries to some magic. In the next, the cat have a tortoise suit. In the next picture, the cat saying never wasted the time. In the next picture, the colorful cats is present. In the next, the for the Christmas drum. In the next, the having to each other the dark sides of a cat. It's very amazing for wallpapers. Now you can see a cat is present on the eyes of next the three cats are present. Next picture the five cats are present and the drawing is related to his expressions, his habits. In this we are drawing the cats drawing a bicycle. In the next the cats smell a coffee. In the next the cat drawing a bicycle and eat ice cream. In this drawing, the cat drink the juice. In the next, the cat is in a slow fall. In the next, you can see the many colors of a cat is present. Two types of cat. Two types of color of cat is present is red and brown. The next cat is black, fully black. In the next picture, the five cats are present. Six. This next, just 7 to 8 cats are present, and he will show his expression. Thank you guys to watching this video, and I hope you will enjoy this video. In this last pic, you can see I have come to drink with you again.